beautiful people, my royal people. Thank you all for staying tuned. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I see all your comments and I'm actually responding. So thank you all for staying tuned, for liking my channel. So today I'm very excited because I've got something very interesting to show you all. So on today's video, we only need two things. We need aspirin and egg. So when you're done whisking, apply on the face. So you keep applying it and you let it sit for like 20 minutes, between 15 to 20 minutes. So all you need to do is just keep applying it until the whole mixture is finished from the plate, from the bowl. You leave it to sit and dry. You add some more. You just keep adding. This is what it looks like after applying. So I'll just leave it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then I wash it up. Alright, this is the result after washing the face. As you can see, my face is glowing. And that is it. Alright, have a good time. Goodbye. Bye. And God bless.